Kum Shibenta ban pin kubor ban ailar ki khun Samla ka thain Ri-Bhoi ban Shibenta ki program ba pher ban sami ki Jingstar ka office u district sports officer Ri-Bhoi district kala pinlong ya ka program ka ba Sngi linter ka bala tip kum ka third district level youth exchange program ban kintiu ya ka sap nong yalam bar ka jing ang nu jing ki Samla halor ka phang today's youth tomorrow's leader her district library Ri-Bhoi ya kani ka program la pinkut bat pinha perda minta kesni da ka jingwan ya shimbenta uba miral bonds iem kum ukong san haringkat uba Bobby El Nongbet district sports officer ka Ri-Bhoi lembar ki weipat ki nong yalam bar ki khun Samla na ka than Ri-Bhoi ha kani ka jinya lenti jong ka program lawan shimbenta ki Samla ki badon hakarta ka ba khanyo hadu arp khandai snem ni ki south li ki blog kata umling umsning jirang bat bhoi rimbong blog ringkat ru ki Samla pule na Ri-Bhoi college Ri-Bhoi sinot college balawan college bat ki weipan ha ka jinya lang ka ba ar Sngi linter la pinlong ya ka jinya kop ba pher kin thop ya ka shat tin rai ka jinya kop ruai ka jing tho poetry ka jinya thu khana ka jing kran pach ba halor ki phang ba pher ka jing pin I ki sap bat ki wei ki jinya kop kinong job hakini ki jinya kop kila yo priang ya ki khusnam hadien ki jing job jong ki ha ki jinya kop ba pher nakaliang ka office u DSO kala jiru ya kattu katni ki Samla ban mi khmat na ka district sha ka state level ban arngut ki Samla kila sha jit ban net shimbenta shabari hari Indonesia
to showcase our talents, and it also helped us to overcome our fears and many more, sir. From this program, sir, from this program, we get a lot of opportunity. We get a platform, sir, to showcase our talents, to showcase our skills, our ability. And from this program, I think we should organize like this program like every year, because the youth of this state, it needs like this program so that they can go for a further competition like in state levels, national levels, and so on. So we are so grateful to be the youth from this from this Ri-Bhoi, that we get a lot of opportunity, because it uplifts us as individuals. It gives us opportunities like we the youths that today's we need. Today's youth, today's youth is not that we need only education, but we also need like creativity, like skills. So like this competition, like this events help us the youth, and that's all, sir. Thank you so much.
So last year also I was attending this program. It very helpful for me, and because of this program also it little bit changed my life. At the beginning, my life I don't know anything how to do, how to perform, how to stand on stage. But because of this youth exchange program, it also helped me to a creative person, to confidence, to come forward, to speak to myself and to introduce. And because of this program also, I have been selected also to the national youth exposure, and now the next exposure to international. So I'm so grateful to thanks for the direct sport office.
Level. We are very happy to announce our district sports officer yesterday. During his speech, he has enlightened you all about our youth program, but I just want sir to hear it again. Two of our youth, sir, they have been selected this year to participate in the youth exchange international level, namely Kong Anizanin Lindo and Mr. Bante Umba. They will be leaving for Indonesia in the next month for this international exposure. So we are very happy that we have selected these two youths from this kind of a program. And just to let you know that we have these 2 beautiful days. So we started yesterday. We had 9 competitions. We didn't take a break. We were having one competition after another. The youths, I don't know whether they died or not, but we can see the energy in them. They showed a lot of interest. They are very smart, active, and the best part that we see from them, sir, is that they stand up, and when we ask them if you have any question, they really stand up and ask a question. They show their interest in this. Thank you all, and I want sir to know that yes, we have that kind of a youth here in Ri-Bhoi. And we also have a science mela, which was conducted this morning. 5 schools participated in the science mela. And sir, I would like to invite you to have a look at the science project after this program. Then we had 3 very wonderful sessions. We had one session with Mr. Eddie Bosco. He talks a lot about trials over what is that? What is the topic? Turning trials into triumph. He was once upon a time as a youth who was subject to so many things as a youth, but he came out and he shared with all our youths about his lifestyle and how to overcome trials, and definitely that has benefited our youths. We also have all the youths coming from Herimbong, from Sngi Ong, and then the Mohati, and then we have from Jirang, then we have the 3 colleges, Malawan College, Ri-Bhoi College, and Ri-Bhoi Senior College. They're all here participating with us. We have a total of nearly 200 participants. We are very happy indeed that they show interest. We have 14 judges from yesterday to today, 14 judges, 1 resource person, and then we have a wonderful quiz just now from a very experienced quiz master, which really, I think, do you feel that quiz was really interesting? Yes. Did you learn from that? Yes. Would you love to have another kind of a quiz next year? Yes. Yes, sure, of course. So these are the things that we have done from yesterday till today.
Program has been conducted by the district sports office, Ri-Bhoi district, Longpok, on the 3rd district level youth exchange program. It is a usual thing that we felt bored for a long speech. Yes or no? Boringnya berkerenslem, kencang, boring. So that's why let us make it to an interactive session. It's not only me who will speak now, but I would like to hear also share your views and opinion, experiences. That is the motive of a youth exchange program. I'm not here today, don't take me as chief guest, even though I have been regarded as chief guest today, but take me as your friend, as your mentor, or as your elder brother who are present here this afternoon. I would like to share about experiences that I have been through in the past. Samla, she has shared an experience about before she don't have the confidence to speak. More cute, on the stage, cute. I've been through this kind of experience before. When I was not in school, in college. Can you imagine? When I was in college, in St. Edmunds, when we during college week, I was shivering like anything on the stage, where I could not be able to speak because I'm not used to. I'm very unfortunate before, I have not experienced many of this kind of program, youth exchange program, where you will have opportunity to express yourself and to perform on the stage. It's not easy. Nowadays we have seen kids, they have been taught in school how to perform, how to dance, how to sing, how to perform in skits or any drama. And it is a good sign where youth nowadays, they have come up with different ideas. Myself also, as I have told you in the beginning, I'm the person who is very shy. They call it a stage frightened. You're frightened to go to the stage and speak. It is not easy. But at the end of the day, when you keep on practicing yourself, because I remember before the closing, the grand finale of the college week, one day before that, when we have to give a speech, a vote of thanks. At home, I remember, where I was still on a rented house, that time in Kut Noh, in Ngi Ioh, where the whole night I practiced how to speak, spelling that by heart. But acute, kita jadi ingat lemah atau kebor. But that was the time where I have do away with this kind of that I am afraid of to speak to go on the stage.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4.